What is good, Tesla family? It's your boy Ray J back with another video, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the one and only Tesla and why I'm extremely bullish for the somewhat near-term and long-term futures for this company. I'm going to talk about what on earth the mainstream media has been saying about Elon Musk and Tesla. I'm going to talk about what Elon Musk, the man, the myth, the legend, Elon Musk, has been tweeting about Tesla on his Twitter page. So I'm going to go over all that. But before I do get started with the technicals and the price predictions and all that good stuff, I do have to mention that I'm not a financial, legal, or taxation expert, so I take this as financial, legal, or taxation advice. Everything in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash that like button if you want to see more videos like this, and not only benefits me, but benefits the entire Tesla community as a whole. With all that said and done and out of the way, guys, let's get on with the video. So looking at the one-day chart for Tesla, we ran up to $1,104 a share. We dropped to $1,054. Then we kind of consolidated and traded sideways for the rest of the day. We closed at $1,063. Not necessarily a bad day, but not a great day either. But guys, remember, we were in the green for the large majority of the day until the very end. We began to drop, but we are down 0.42%. But that's not necessarily anything that's really bad in my eyes. It's just that, look, I'm very, very bullish for Tesla, okay? For the somewhat near-term future, I do believe that in the next upcoming weeks, if not months, we can recover very, very soon. I do also believe that by the next upcoming years, we're going to see all-time highs for Tesla. We're going to see Tesla to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 in just the next upcoming years. So I'm super, super bullish. I believe in this company and this movement. However, I would be lying to you if I told you that every single day Tesla is going to be in the green. There are going to be some moments where it has those red days, and we're in that situation, especially because Elon Musk has been selling. And based off my research, the main reason is for tax purposes. Now, I can't guarantee you that that's the only reason. Elon Musk has not confirmed any other reason just yet, but the main reason is for taxation. Elon Musk is paying some money in taxes based off his call options as they expired. So with that said, guys, unfortunately, I do have a kind of bad piece of news that's not horrible, but Elon Musk only sold about $5 billion worth of Tesla stock. And why am I saying only 5 billion? It's just that Tesla did drop, but Elon Musk is not done with the selling. This means that, and based off what he sold, basically he sold 3.5 million shares from his trust fund, which was worth 3.88 billion. Then from another separate block of Tesla shares, he sold 1.1 billion. So in total, that's about $5 billion worth of Tesla shares sold by Elon Musk. And he may be selling billions of dollars worth more, which can bring Tesla a little bit down, guys. So unfortunately, we may see Tesla dip just a little bit. But once again, this is not the end for Tesla. I believe it's going to recover like crazy if you just give it some time. But once again, this is something that happened, and this is not because Tesla did anything wrong. Tesla is not responsible for doing anything wrong right now. They did next to everything right, from expanding their factories, their gigafactories from Berlin and Texas, them entering the energy sector. They've done so many things right. So do not hate Tesla for this. I'm just letting you guys know that we can see a bit of a dip. And I told you guys that we have very strong support around 1,000, which is why we had this spring right over here. As soon as we hit 1,012, we launched all the way back up to 1,100. But I'm just putting it out there that we should hold above 1,000, but if that doesn't hold, then we have support around $900. So once again, guys, I'm not bearish on Tesla. I'm just letting you know that we could see some sideways action, a bit of a drop here and there. But for the long term, in the next upcoming weeks, if not months, we should see a good recovery, but it's dependent on how many shares Elon Musk ends up selling. But like I said before, I'm still very, very bullish. So from the 6-month charts, let me bring this up real quick. We can look at the MACD and some RSI. The MACD is still showing that we're in a bit of a bearish trend right now. It's because the MACD crossed the 9-day moving average, and we're still a little bit in the red. RSI is pretty stagnant at 46.71, which is not bad, which is the reason why Tesla has that strength around the $1,000 mark. That gives Tesla support, and that makes me think that Tesla is not going to drop that low. In fact, I do think that we should just trade sideways for some time as Elon Musk begins to sell more shares. Now, Elon Musk is going to sell more shares, whether you guys like it or not. He has other obligations. And before I talk about how this is going to affect the share price in more detail, I want to talk about what the news is also saying. So if Elon Musk keeps on selling his Tesla shares, obviously he has billions of dollars more worth of shares that he's going to keep selling. It's not the end of the world, because I am still confident Tesla is going to recover from this. Because remember, Elon Musk did something on the Joe Rogan show. People thought it would be the end of Tesla. The thing recovered. Elon Musk also once said that Tesla is kind of overvalued at the moment, in his opinion. He said that many months ago, or about a year ago. and yet it recovered again. And Kathy Wood still said that Tesla's going to break 3,000. So do not lose faith when you see it in the red just temporarily. I believe this is just a temporary thing, and very, very soon it's going to recover and all-time highs will be back. Now, I also want to talk about the big pieces of news before I go into specific details about technicals. But look right here. Electric mentioned that Tesla releases new software update that finally adds waypoints to navigation. That's absolutely awesome. That's really very, very good for Tesla in terms of its fundamentals. So that basically shows that the new software update is allowing people to have more waypoints for their navigation system. This is something that was requested by their owners, and over the years, this gives Tesla another edge for their full self-driving technology, because it helps people not only get more and more comfortable in their cars, but they begin to love their software and navigation features simultaneously. Now, this software update helps Tesla as a whole in terms of its fundamentals, and it's just one of the things out there that Tesla are doing to improve their company. And I want to put it out there, not everything is bad, 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 bad right now. Yeah, Elon Musk might be selling some shares, but Tesla has not changed. The company is still going to kill it. They're still going to be amazing. And I'm just very excited. So I want to talk about one other thing, the last article I'm going to talk about, and that's the fact that Rivian went IPO quite recently, and the founder is worth about 2.2 billion. So the media was making a big deal out of this. And right now, the market cap of Rivian is over $100 billion. So this relates to an Elon Musk tweet that just came out very recently. Basically, Sam Twits, he tweeted that when Tesla IPO'd at a value of 1.7 billion, they had been selling the Roadster for 2 years and had stunned the world with the Model S reveal the year before. No criticism to Rivian, but 24 hours into IPO and the market cap is at 100 billion with zero revenue, a sign of the times at Elon Musk. And Elon Musk replied, I want you guys to look at this. And this relates to Tesla. Elon Musk stated, I hope they're able to achieve high production and break even cash flow. That is the true test. There have been hundreds of automobile startups, both electric and combustion, but Tesla is the only American car maker to reach high volume production and positive cash flow in the past 100 years. So, guys, huge shout out to Elon Musk. He knows Rivian is a competitor, but he is not attacking Rivian. He's not saying Rivian is a joke, even though the person above here kind of undermined them in a way. Elon Musk is not doing that. In fact, he's wishing the best for Rivian. That just shows what type of man he is. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because it relates to Tesla's original goal. Their goal was not just to become a great electric car company, but to accelerate the development and innovation of the electric sector for cars. And this is just another thing that Tesla has done. By innovating this car industry, Tesla has helped other car companies enter the EV sector as well. It's like we're living in a new era where we're not in the iPhone era right now. We're in the new electric car era. That's what I'm trying to say. But my point is, this is what Elon Musk wants, and he's actually saying good things about Rivian. He's wishing them the best. He really hopes that they improve. And that to me just tells a lot of information about Tesla and who he is. Additionally, Elon Musk retweeted this. It basically states that 30,000 superchargers around the world and counting. Tesla now has 30,000 superchargers, excuse me. Let's go, guys. Tesla's absolutely killing it. Now, for those of you who don't know what this means, basically Tesla's becoming a global company. They're already global, but they're expanding every single day. Superchargers are becoming more prevalent. I mean, if I go to a mall where I am in the world, I see Tesla superchargers just right there, which I think is absolutely amazing. To me, guys, this is a big deal because the world is changing. Like I told you guys, we're entering the EV market. There are more and more and more companies entering the EV space, and it's just going to be huge. And that makes me even more excited as a Tesla investor, because imagine what Tesla is going to be like in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years from now. I believe it's going to be a multi-trillion-dollar company. And that's another reason why I'm telling you, look, there may be dips like this, but don't forget about how much green there is. There's so many green candles leading us all the way up to 1243. Don't forget about that. We're still above 1,000. We're still doing well. Do not let the past let you forget about what's going on. And I believe that there's more room to grow. I believe Tesla's going to break $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in the future if you just give it the time it needs. Like I said, I'm still very, very bullish. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is what Elon Musk liked on his Twitter. Basically, the full self-driving beta 10.4, someone drove it from San Francisco to Treasure Island and back, and there were basically zero disengagement, and they were very excited. They have a video on it, and Elon Musk is just liking it. So I'm just putting it out there that Tesla has made insane progress from the full self-driving beta to them entering the electric sector, providing energy for companies in Texas, to their cars, to their battery technology, to the Tesla robot, to the robo-taxis. I mean, this company has insane potential based off fundamentals. So I don't really care, guys, if we see Tesla continue on this sideways trading. And I definitely think we have really strong support around 1,000. I don't see it dropping below that, but if it does drop below that, it might be because Elon Musk is still selling, and that could cause the price to drop. So if we do drop, we do have very strong support above 900. But if we touch that, I believe there's going to be another spring and we're going to have a big bounce up. But remember, this is just a temporary thing, because in the upcoming months, we're going to see this thing come right back up. We're going to see Tesla hit $2,000 possibly within the next 1 to 2 years, easily. We're going to see this thing hit $3,000 most likely by 2024 or 2025. I mean, this thing is just getting started. So do not let the red right now scare you. I'm very bullish and excited for this company, so give it the time it needs. With that said and done, guys, thank you so much for listening. Please have a great rest of the day, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Thank you, and peace out.